Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to brush a dog's teeth? Let's explore. Brushing a dog's teeth is essential for maintaining their dental health and preventing problems like plaque buildup, gum disease, and bad breath. To brush your dog's teeth, you will need a dog-specific toothbrush and toothpaste, as human toothpaste can be harmful to dogs. Start by introducing your dog to the toothbrush and toothpaste gradually. Let them sniff and lick the toothpaste to get used to the taste. Once your dog is comfortable, gently lift their lips and use the toothbrush to brush their teeth in a circular motion. Focus on the outer surfaces of the teeth, especially along the gum line, where plaque tends to accumulate. You do not need to brush all of your dog's teeth in one session, especially if they are not used to the process. Aim to brush their teeth a few times a week to maintain good dental hygiene. Regular brushing, along with dental chews or toys, can help keep your dog's teeth clean and reduce the risk of dental problems. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.